Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Broken Sword in Anime Vanguard, updated. Start by identifying synergy pieces like restanders and retire engines in your deck right away. Prioritize timing so Broken Sword retires at peak impact and returns when it benefits your drive checks. Practice sequencing to chain retire, restand, and column pressure, and learn which matchups favor aggressive reuse over slow value plays. Broken Sword shines in combos that reuse retire triggers repeatedly, so plan turns ahead with a clear sequence. Look for cards that can retire your own units or force opponent retire choices to activate Broken Sword efficiently. Protect your combo pieces with intercepts or spot removal bait and save resource recovery until after key exchanges. Practice the exact order of plays until you can execute cleanly under pressure and adjust to opponent responses. Think of Broken Sword as a tempo engine that can convert small trades into winning swings, so open aggressively when the board allows. Transition into control if retire tools are scarce, conserving resources for a decisive late turn. In the end game, commit the engine when it secures lethal columns and bait your opponent into wasting defenses. Keep a flexible plan and adapt based on whether you draw reclaim, restand, or retirement pieces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.